Hello, birdie, birdie, birdie. Hi. How you doing? You learning the ways. You the little bitty chick, a little egg. About a month ago, now you flying. Is your mother teaching you how to hunt? Huh? Hi, birdie. How you doing, birdie, birdie? Hey, mother. Hey, mama bear. Hey, mama bird. I see your baby. She's so cute. She is so cute. Oh, he is so cute. They your mama. They your mama. They your mama. Look at little birdie on the chair. Look at mama. Hey, mama bird. Hey, mama bird. How you doing? How you doing? I see your pretty babies. You got a worm? Yeah, she got a worm to feed her little birdies. To feed her baby birdies. Yeah. Hey. There she go. There she go. Hey, birdie. Hey, birdie. Well, this is her nest. This is her nest right here where she had the little eggs and stuff. And I think her babies have flew the coop and they're flying. Yeah. Hey, birdie, birdie, birdies.